Let's talk about cryptocurrency, a world where fortunes are made and lost overnight, and where innovation never sleeps. Every day, new players enter the arena, hoping to change the way we think about money. Today, we're breaking down a digital heavyweight match, Bitcoin versus Pi Network. It's a battle of old guard versus new blood, and the stakes couldn't be higher. In one corner, Bitcoin, the original, the gold standard. It's the coin that started it all, inspiring millions and creating a whole new financial ecosystem. In the other, Pi Network, a newcomer promising crypto for everyone, right from your phone. No expensive hardware, no technical barriers, just a tap away. Can Pi really challenge the king? Or is it just another hopeful contender in a crowded field? Or is Bitcoin's legacy too strong, its roots too deep in the world of digital finance to be shaken? This isn't just about two coins. It's about two visions for the future of money, and two radically different approaches to who gets to participate. Bitcoin stands for security, decentralization, and scarcity. Digital gold that's trusted by millions and recognized worldwide. Pi dreams of accessibility, bringing crypto to billions who can't mine Bitcoin, and making digital currency as easy as sending a text. So, which vision wins? That's what we're here to find out, as we compare their strengths, weaknesses, and what sets them apart. We'll look at how they started, how they work, their strengths, and their flaws. We'll dig into the details that matter most. Most importantly, we'll see which one could shape the future of money, and what that future might look like for all of us. I'll break it down step by step so you can decide where your money, and your trust, should go in this rapidly changing landscape. Ready for the ultimate crypto showdown? Let's dive in. Bitcoin, the legend. Pi Network, the challenger. The stage is set. Two coins, two dreams, two paths to the future. Only one can be the future. Let's get started and see which one comes out on top. First up, Bitcoin, the foundation of all crypto. It's the digital currency that started a financial revolution, changing how we think about money and value in the digital age. Before Bitcoin, the idea of digital money without banks or governments was just a dream. Something out of science fiction. People relied on traditional payment systems, always trusting third parties to move their money. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper that changed everything. This mysterious figure, or group, laid out a blueprint for a new kind of money. By 2009, Bitcoin was born, right in the middle of a global financial crisis when trust in banks was at an all-time low. People were losing faith in banks. Bitcoin offered a radical alternative. It promised a system where you could be your own bank. It runs on blockchain, a public ledger shared worldwide, open for anyone to inspect and verify. Every transaction is recorded, nearly impossible to alter. This transparency builds trust without needing a middleman. No CEO, no central office, just a global network of users, all working together to keep the system running. No one can shut it down or print more coins. It's immune to government interference and corporate control. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Scarcity like digital gold, making each coin potentially more valuable over time. This limited supply is why people see it as a hedge against inflation, a way to protect their wealth from money printing. Bitcoin's price has soared from pennies to tens of thousands of dollars, creating millionaires and capturing headlines worldwide. It's created a trillion-dollar industry and forced governments, banks, and tech giants to pay attention. Its security and decentralization are unmatched, inspiring countless other cryptocurrencies to follow its lead. Bitcoin is the original, setting the stage for every crypto that followed. It's the benchmark for the entire industry. It's not just a coin, it's a revolution in how we think about money, ownership, and financial freedom. Its impact is global, its story legendary, and its influence still growing every day. If you want to understand crypto, you have to start with Bitcoin. It's the blueprint for everything that came after. It's the king for a reason, commanding respect and attention from the entire world. And it's not giving up the throne easily. Bitcoin remains the heart of the crypto universe. Now, meet the challenger, Pi Network. In a world where new cryptocurrencies pop up every day, Pi stands out as a fresh face with a bold mission. Launched in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates, Pi set out to fix a big problem. Bitcoin mining is out of reach for most people, making crypto feel exclusive and intimidating. Mining Bitcoin needs expensive hardware, technical know-how, and tons of electricity, putting it far beyond the average person's grasp. Pi flips the script. You mine it right on your phone, No special gear or technical skills needed. Anyone can join in, anytime, anywhere. Just open the app, tap a button daily, and you're in. It's as simple as checking your messages or scrolling social media. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol. No energy-hungry puzzles, just proof you're a real person. This makes mining eco-friendly and accessible to all. Invite friends, grow your network, and boost your mining rate. The more people you bring in, the faster you earn. That's helped Pi explode to tens of millions of users worldwide, creating a massive community in just a few years. But here's the catch. Pi is still an enclosed mainnet. That means it's not fully open to the world yet. You can't trade it on public exchanges or cash out your coins for real money, at least not for now. Your Pi coins exist only inside the app, waiting for their moment to shine. The team promises an open mainnet is coming, where Pi will have real value and could be traded like other cryptocurrencies. Until then, Pi's worth is just a promise, an idea waiting to become reality. It's a bet on the future, not a reality, yet. For now, it's all about hope and anticipation. Pi is about accessibility, but its value is still a big question mark. People are watching and waiting to see what happens next. Will it deliver on its promises? Only time will tell if Pi becomes the next big thing or just another crypto experiment. How do you actually get these coins? For Bitcoin, it's all about mining, proof of work. Thousands of powerful computers race to solve complex puzzles. Winners add new blocks to the blockchain and earn Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin secure, but it's energy intensive and dominated by big players. Mining at home? Forget it. Pi Network takes a different path. No expensive hardware, no energy drain. Just tap the app daily to prove you're real and earn Pi. Pi's mining is about building a trusted community, not solving math problems. The more friends you invite, the more Pi you earn. Bitcoin mining is a tech arms race. Pi mining is social and accessible. 2 coins, 2 philosophies, power versus people. Which approach wins? That's the real debate. Let's talk value, the heart of the matter. Bitcoin's value is clear and public. You can buy, sell, or trade it 24/7 on any major exchange. Its price is driven by scarcity, security, and global recognition. Institutions, funds, even countries are getting on board. People pay thousands for 1 Bitcoin, betting on its future as digital gold. Pi, that's a different story. Right now, Pi's official value is 0. You can't trade it on real exchanges. Any price you see is just speculation. The hope. When Open Mainnet launches, Pi's huge user base will create real demand. If millions start using Pi for goods and services, it could gain value, but that's a big if. For now, Pi is 100% speculation, a bet on what might be. Bitcoin is a proven asset. Pi is a promise. Which would you trust with your money? Every coin has pros and cons. Let's break them down. Bitcoin's strengths: proven track record, true decentralization, and limited supply. It's survived crashes, hacks, and government pushback. It's a lifeline in unstable economies and a hedge against inflation. But Bitcoin isn't perfect. Mining uses massive energy. Bad for the environment. It's slow and expensive for small transactions. And its price swings can be wild. Now, Pi's pros. Anyone can mine it. No cost, no tech skills needed. Its community is huge, and it's energy efficient. If it goes public, that user base could be a game changer. But Pi's cons are big. It's unproven, not tradable, and its value is pure speculation. Some worry about privacy. Your data's in the app's hands. You're trusting the team to deliver and protect your info. Bitcoin is battle-tested. Pi is still a gamble. Choose wisely. Who can actually use these coins? Bitcoin is easier to buy than ever, but you still need an exchange, ID, and often a bank account. Billions are unbanked. Bitcoin's out of reach for many. Managing your own wallet and keys, that's intimidating for beginners. Lose your keys, lose your Bitcoin forever. Pi Network removes those barriers. All you need is a smartphone and an invite. No bank, no ID, no crypto knowledge required. The app is as simple as social media. Just tap and go. That's why Pi has reached people Bitcoin never could. But simplicity comes at a cost: more centralization, less control. Still, for mass adoption, Pi's approach is hard to beat. Crypto for everyone, Pi makes a strong case. What's next for these two? Bitcoin's future is as digital gold, a global store of value, not your daily spending money. New tech like the Lightning Network could make it faster, but its core is security and scarcity. Its success depends on trust and belief in its story. As long as it's the most secure, decentralized network, it's here to stay. Pi's future? Uncertain. Everything rides on launching open mainnet. Best case, a thriving economy, millions using Pi for real transactions, and real value emerges. Worst case, technical issues, no real economy, and the price crashes. Pi's fate depends on more than tech. It's about building a real economy. Can they turn a social network into a currency? That's the billion-dollar question. Only time will tell. So, who wins this crypto showdown? Honestly, they're not even playing the same game. Bitcoin is digital gold, a proven, secure store of value. It's the choice for serious, long-term investors. Pi Network, it's a free lottery ticket. You invest time, not money, and trust the team to deliver. The odds of Pi becoming the next Bitcoin are tiny, but not zero. Its massive user base is impressive, but its future is a gamble. My verdict: Bitcoin and Pi can coexist. Bitcoin is the gold standard for storing wealth. Pi is a social experiment, crypto for the masses. I'll keep Bitcoin in my portfolio, and I'll keep tapping Pi, just in case. If Pi goes to zero, I lose nothing. If it succeeds, it's a fun bonus. But I'm not betting my future on it.